Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to stay ahead in Instagram and be aware of every new feature before every other person have access to it on Instagram. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Instagram app. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon from the bottom side right here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, scroll down until you get to early access to features. Click on that. The next thing you need to do is to simply turn on this button. It's as simple as that. So with this, you will try new Instagram feature before they are released. Instagram may be unstable because features are still in development. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.